Hi everyone, welcome to the Cookie Couture, where flavor and design collide. Now it's time for me to show you how we prepare a delicious salad for Christmas. And I will share some tips to make this recipe more enjoyable to make. Please click the link above for the recipe, and also you can find the link in the description of this video. I am super excited to share this video with you, but first, if you're new here in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and push the notification button, and let's get started. Tip number 1. Have 2 bowls ready for your mixers. And this is one of those recipes that is super convenient to have 2 mixers. And you are going to put the bowls, the wire whisk, the evaporated milk, and the heavy whipping cream in the freezer 20 minutes before you are going to start making this recipe. Tip number 2. After opening the cans of fruits, you need to drain the syrup, and you will use that one for later, so put it in a big bowl. Tip number 3. If you have a favorite brand of marshmallows but you cannot find them tiny, you can cut the big ones into small pieces. Tip number 4. Try to cut the fruit in the same size pieces. Tip number 5. After cutting your apples, you are going to put them in the bowl where you have the syrup of the other fruits. This is going to prevent them from turning brown. Tip number 6. Take out from the freezer your bowls and your wire whisk and start beating the milk until soft peaks are formed. This will take you about 5 minutes or so. Tip number 7. You can do this part of the salad while you are cutting the fruit pieces. Let me show you how pretty the evaporated milk looks after beating it for 5 minutes and soft peaks are formed. Now I will do the same thing for the heavy whipping cream. Like the cream is heavier, it will form firm peaks. Now let me show you how the cream looks. The peaks looks very nice and firm, and they are ready for me to add them to the other ingredients. Tip number 8. After your evaporated milk and your cream are ready, drain the apples, discard the syrup, and transfer them to a clean bowl. The other fruit and stir very well until everything is well combined. Tip number 9. After you mix all the fruits into your bowl, you can add the mayonnaise. Tip number 10. After you mix all your fruits with the mayonnaise, you are going to add the marshmallows and mix very carefully until all the ingredients are well combined. Tip number 11. Carefully, with folding movements, you are going to incorporate the fluffy milk and cream into your fruit mix. First, I add the fluffy evaporated milk. You need to be very soft and patient while doing this because you want to maintain the fluff of the heavy cream and the milk as much as you can. Now I am going to add little by little the heavy whipping cream. Tip number 12. While you are folding the cream, you can sprinkle the sugar. You may think that the amount of sugar that you're going to add to your salad is very little, but Remember that the marshmallows are super sweet and they are going to dissolve into the cream during the 24 hours period. Tip number 13. Add the pecans at the end, and also you are going to use folding movements to incorporate it into the salad. Tip number 14. When your salad is ready, put it in the refrigerator for 24 hours and then you can enjoy it. And this is it for today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and push the notification button, and see you next time. Bye bye.